11 packing mistakes that get you flagged by TSA. Avoid these. You know that feeling when you're at the TSA checkpoint and suddenly your bag gets flagged for a random check? What if I told you that most of the time it's not random at all? In fact, it could be the way you packed. Stick around to find out the packing mistakes that will definitely get you flagged by TSA. 1. Overstuffing your bag. We've all been there. You're packing for a trip and trying to squeeze in that last pair of shoes or an extra jacket. But here's the thing. When your bag is overstuffed, it doesn't just look messy. It raises serious red flags. TSA agents are trained to spot overstuffed luggage because it signals that the bag is too full to be properly searched, and sometimes hidden items can slip in unnoticed. What happens next? A thorough manual search. They're going to have to open your bag, pull everything out, and inspect it one by one, slowing down the whole process. The solution? Pack light, pack smart. Leave the overstuffed luggage at home and make sure everything has its place. Trust me, a well-organized bag looks way less suspicious. 2. Forgetting to remove electronics from your bag. Think about the last time you passed through security. Did you remember to remove your laptop, tablet, or e-reader from your bag? If not, you're not alone. This mistake happens all the time, and it can trigger a manual search. Why? Because TSA wants to inspect larger electronics to ensure nothing suspicious is hiding inside. So, how do you avoid this headache? Make it a habit to remove all electronics from your carry-on bag before you get to the checkpoint. This will speed things up and save you from that awkward moment when the TSA agent asks you to take out your laptop mid-check. 3. Unclear or unlabeled liquids. It's so easy to forget about those half-full shampoo bottles or travel-size lotions tucked in your bag. But if they're not clearly labeled, TSA agents are going to flag your bag. Why? Because they can't see exactly what's inside those bottles, and anything that's not clear or labeled could be a potential hazard. The simple fix? Make sure all your liquids are in a clear, quart-sized bag, and each one should be under 3.4 ounces. Additionally, label any unclear containers so TSA doesn't have to guess what's inside. This step could save you a lot of time and frustration during your check-in. 4. Sharp objects, even if they're small. A tiny pair of scissors, a nail clipper, or a pocket knife might seem harmless, but TSA doesn't see it that way. Anything sharp can be perceived as a potential weapon, and the last thing you want is to have your bag pulled aside for something as small as a nail file. Even seemingly innocent grooming tools can set off an alarm. Before packing, double-check for any sharp objects. If you need to carry scissors, knives, or other potentially sharp items, store them in your checked luggage. Remember, sharp objects are banned in carry-ons unless they're less than 4 inches in length, like a small pair of scissors for grooming. When in doubt, leave it out. 5. Packing too many chargers and cords. We've all packed a tangle of cords, chargers, and adapters at some point. But here's the thing. TSA doesn't want to sort through all that mess. Loose cords can raise suspicion because they're disorganized, and anything that looks like it could be hiding something may get flagged. TSA agents also have to waste time untangling them, which means you could be stuck at security for longer than you'd like. The simple fix is to keep your chargers neatly organized in a cord organizer or small pouch. 6. Carrying too many pills in one bottle. You might think it's easier to just throw all your medication in one bottle to save space, but TSA doesn't like it. Carrying multiple pills without clear labeling or in one unmarked container will immediately raise questions. For the sake of smooth sailing through security, always keep prescription medications in their original bottles with the label clearly visible. In case you're wondering, if you have any over-the-counter meds, it's also best to carry them in their original packaging. If the bottles are too large for your carry-on, you can always transfer small amounts into travel-friendly pill containers as long as you keep the original labels. 7. Not declaring your food. You might be tempted to sneak a snack through security, whether it's a sandwich, a piece of fruit, or a bag of chips. But if it's not declared, it can be a major issue. TSA's food rules are pretty clear. If you're carrying something that could be considered a liquid, like yogurt or soup, it's going to need to be in a separate clear bag and under the 3.4-ounce limit. Other food items like fruits, vegetables, or meats must be declared. A quick fix. Make sure all your food items are in their original packaging. If you're carrying a sandwich or homemade snack, place it in a clear, resealable bag. Oh, and remember, avoid bringing anything that looks like a liquid, even if it's solid. 8. Overpacked pockets. It might seem like a small thing, but when your pockets are bulging with keys, coins, pens, or receipts, you're making TSA's job harder, and yours too. When you walk through the metal detector, all those small items set off alarms, and you're forced to empty your pockets for inspection. Plus, it slows you down when you're already stressed about catching your flight. So before heading to the checkpoint, check your pockets. Empty them out and store all your personal items in your carry-on bag or in a separate compartment. 9. Carrying prohibited items, just in case. We've all heard stories of people sneaking self-defense tools or unusual gadgets into their carry-on bags, thinking TSA won't notice. Big mistake. Just because something is legal in your state doesn't mean it's okay to bring it through airport security. Whether it's a small self-defense tool or a multi-tool, if it resembles a weapon, TSA will stop you. For your own peace of mind, leave all non-essential tools at home. If you absolutely need something, pack it in your checked luggage. 10. Disorganized cables and power banks. Power banks are a lifesaver when you're traveling, but they also happen to be one of the most common causes of flagged bags. TSA is strict about how they're packed, mainly because they can be hazardous if not handled properly. Keep them in their original packaging and place them in an easily accessible area. It's also worth noting that power banks with more than 100 watt-hours are forbidden in checked luggage, so check the specs before packing. Store them in a clear pouch so they're visible when your bag goes through the scanner, and you'll have no problems. 11. Ignoring TSA's guidelines for jewelry and watches. This one might surprise you, but wearing too much shiny jewelry or big bulky watches can trigger the metal detectors. TSA is particularly cautious with anything that could look like a threat, and if your jewelry sets off the alarm, they'll have to inspect you further. To avoid this, consider removing any excessive jewelry before you approach security. Store it in your carry-on bag and wear only the essentials. So, there you have it, 11 packing mistakes that could get you flagged by TSA. Now that you're in the know, I'm sure you'll breeze through security with no issues. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, share it with your travel buddies, and leave a comment if you've ever had a TSA experience you won't forget. And of course, make sure you're subscribed for more tips on traveling smarter. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next one.